ඊළඟ ඉදිරිපත් කිරීම නැවතත් කොළඹ විශ්වවිද්‍යාලයේ පරිගණක පාසලෙන් title registration system for Registrar General's Department of Sri Lanka.
Good morning, everybody. So I'm from Software Development Unit, University of Columbus School of Computing. So my system is a title registration system. We developed collaboration with Registrar General's Department. So Registrar General Department is one of the oldest department in this country. And main functions performed by this department are birth marriage registration, issuing certificates, title registration. There are very important functions performed by this department. So they want to really pay the attention for this title registration process. They have a process, but it was a manual one. And they went for a semi-automated system, but they were unable to get the maximum performance, maximum benefit from that system. So they really wanted us to develop a system which really automate this process and give the real benefit for this country. So we developed a system with a very long, it has a very long process, but we divided it into four user levels, and we give specific functions to these user levels, and these are the 4 user levels. And you can see data entry operator, clerk, additional title registrar, and title registrar. This might be very complex for you, but actually, when I'm explaining the system, you would get that. So this is our login screen. I like to give a brief introduction about this screen. That is because we facilitate, anybody in this country can use this system in all 3 languages. You know, just imagine an area like Jaffna. They mainly use Tamil for communication. So if we are going to implement this system only in Sinhala, then they have a problem to communicate with this. I mean, they cannot get the idea of this. So we use all 3 languages. Anybody can log into our system, but just click on this language button and use our system with that language. So our system has mainly 3 processes. The first one is the title registration. I know anyone in this audience, or maybe all of you might have a land. You have to register the land. And then we have to get the title certificate for that just to prove that your ownership. And after that, we do many transactions on the land. I mean, you can give your land to your children as a gift, or you can sell your land, or you can mortgage it or lease it. So we should have features or a module to record those things. So the first one is you have to register your land and get a title certificate. So the first module is the title registration, and after that you are performing many functions on your land. So those are called instruments, and we have a second module for instrument registration, and last one is the printing module. I mean, you have to print your certificates, you have to print your instruments. So this is the first screen for the title registration. Actually, we capture many data. For the moment, I'm showing you just one part of it. And here, you can see that we get the owner's information, owner's NIC, and full name, and things like that. Here, we provide a special functionality called transliteration. I told you that my system can be used in all 3 languages, and we provide transliteration. I mean, if you type in English, it transliterates to Sinhala, and Sinhala to English, Sinhala to Tamil. We provide transliteration feature in 4 methods. And next one is the instrument registration. When you want to sell your land, or when you're going to give your land as a gift to your children, there are many things happen. So these are called instruments. And after we are issuing the title certificates, we are recording all the instrument details or instrument registrations in our system. You know, in a good title has to be established for 35 years. When we are buying a land or when we are selling our land, we check the history or the pedigree of that land. As we are recording all these things in our system, anybody can come to the nearest land registry and get the information. And the last one, the last module in my system is the printing. Printing means whatever we record, it's very essential to issue the title certificates or the instrument details. And when it comes to the administration level, I mean the internal stuff, then it might have, the system should facilitate to get the summary reports, progress reports, and things like that. So the impact of this system is that long time back, they use pile of papers and they have to, when they really want to find a record, they have to search all these documents to get a specific thing. So, but with this system, just your NIC or just your title number, it is sufficient to get the whole information. So I'm inviting all of you, just go to the Near Land Registry and provide your title number and or the NIC number and get the information and get the benefit of this system. Thank you very much.